Welcome back to another episode of Salty Mechanic. So happy to see that you are watching. If you're new here and you know nothing about this channel, I can tell you it's about how it is to work as a boat mechanic on the docks of Norway. If you've been watching for some time and you still haven't subscribed, well, I guess you know what to do. In this episode, we are overhauling some diesel injection valves and we're putting them back on the engine. Also, I feel tired. I need a couple of days off. But before I do that, let's go to work. All right. So this is the valve. Right here you can see the nozzle at the end of it. And when you take it out, it looks like this. And I want to change these nozzles and make sure that the pressure is just right.
Vaskemaskinen er så funky om da.
At den er hva?
Funky.
Og hvordan da?
Den driver og stopper full av vann og greier.
Ja, det er noe gærent med den. Men selv om vi jobber på et verksted, så betyr jo ikke det at ting blir fiksa.
Nei.
Nei. Valve pressure is 170 plus minus 5. So that's the pressure we want. At least very close. Put these in the valves to make sure that we can adjust the pressure. The pressure is okay. So I think we're ready to put these back on the engine. All right, so we're back again. So, this is where we left everything. So my face looks a little bit dirty. That tells me that, you know, at some point there might have been an exhaust leak or oil leak or a combination of the two in this engine room. Could also be debris from the fan belt. I know that the walls are just covered in whatever is on my face. So I'm gonna let the customer know. I'm just gonna check the engine a little bit carefully before I leave. So I don't expect the engine to start right away because of the compression problems. But I'm gonna continue trying a little bit, and for every time I try, the diesel gets a little bit warmer, and that heat is gonna help to start the engine. So the engine is running. I'm just gonna keep it running for a while and see if I can see any leaks or anything like that. All right, so the engine looks good. I'm gonna clean up everything, put my tools where they belong, and just here. So one of the subscribers has a question. His name is Nikolai. Here goes. What do you eat during a work day? Do you pack food and eat in a random boat while working? Or do you guys have a lunchroom or something? That's a very good question. It depends on the day, of course. I never eat in the boat. I don't know why. I just don't feel like it. And it's not my place to eat in my customer's boat, I think. So I like to come in here and eat with the guys if I can, or I just eat in my car. Sometimes I just sit in front of the computer by myself. It's actually quite nice, and I can just watch a television show on Netflix or something like that. So that's basically how I do it. And today I actually went to the local Thai shop and I bought this, whatever that is, quite good. And the lunchroom, well, let me show you. It's quite simple. It's basically just this table right here. So it's a very nice place to just sit. He also had another question. Could you please do a tour of the workshop? I've had that question come up before, and I will. But right now, my desk, again, looks like this. So I think maybe I want to wait, clean up a little bit again, and then give you guys a proper tour of this facility. All right, I am very tired. I've been feeling it for some time now, so I think it's about time that I take a couple of days off. You know, when you work the way I work and you really live for your job, you always look forward to Mondays. It's so important to just stop once in a while and focus a little bit of your time on friends and family. And now it's been a long time since I've seen any of my family members, so I think I want to go and see my mom. She is at her cabin on a small island called Silda. It's a beautiful place, beautiful people, just the greatest atmosphere. This trip is definitely about family and quality time. So, you know, you're most welcome to tag along for a couple of minutes if you want to see a little bit of that beautiful Norwegian scenery. And anyway, I will see you guys next time for more mechanics on the docks. All right, take care. Bye-bye.